Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Edify. In this video we will learn about Python dictionaries, which is a built-in data type. So let's start the video. What are dictionaries? So dictionaries are used to store data values in key colon value pairs and return within a curly brackets. For example, my dict is equals to brand colon Ford. It is a collection which is ordered, changeable and do not allow duplicates. To print, we can refer using the key name such as my dict is equals to brand colon Ford, print of my dict of brand. Let's see how to access items from dictionaries. You can do it by referring key name as I mentioned before, and also you can make use of get, key, values and items method. For example, create a variable then is equals to brand colon Ford then year colon 1964 then x is equals to my dict dot get of year then print of x. Now if we compile this, we get the value as 1964. Similarly, you can make use of other methods too. And to change values, you can change by referring key name or update method. For example, using key name, consider the same dictionary, then my dict of year is equals to 1864. This line updates the value, then print of my dict. Now if we compile this, we get the output as brand colon Ford year colon 1864 instead 1964. Now let's see how to make use of update for the same process. So consider the same dictionary, then type mydict dot update of year colon 1864, then print of mydict. We get the same output. You can change the value to 2020 and get the output. Let's see how to remove items from the dictionary. Make use of pop item, clear and delete method. Here clear and delete method deletes the whole dictionary. To remove particular item, use pop or pop item method. For example, consider the same dictionary, then type mydict dot pop of brand, then print of mydict. Now if we compile this, we get the output as year colon 1964. Lastly, we have nested dictionaries. Dictionary can contain dictionaries. This is called nested dictionaries. For example, my cake is equals to cake 1 colon color colon pink flavor strawberry, then comma, then cake 2 color brown flavor chocolate, then comma, then cake 3 color red and flavor red velvet, then print of my cakes. If we compile this, we get the values inside the values as an output. So this was all about dictionaries and methods used to alter it. Moving forward, we will learn more about Python. I hope you guys had fun learning it. If you liked it, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such updates.